Have some steel. Like I said, it's not worth. This drive is damaged, it's not working. So not really worth much. And to replace a laser is not a good idea either, because all the replacement lasers that are brand new are Chinese made, and they have a high defect rate. So I don't bother doing anything with that. Get the laser out, because the laser has precious metal in it. There's these little boards here that also have some value. Not a huge amount, but there's some value. Get all this cabling out. Go. This could be considered copper bearing motors because it has 2 motors on it. Steel. Okay, now let's unscrew the power supply, which is also dead. Okay, so we have a dead thing. We have some more cables. Now let's go into the motherboard.